Hi, my name's Dave Goulson. I'm Professor of Bumblebees at the University of Sussex, and I'm delighted to be supporting the Wildlife Trusts in their Action for Insects campaign, which aims to get as many people as possible helping our poor declining insect populations. It's not too late. Most insects haven't disappeared completely, and they will recover, but it needs a whole suite of actions to help them. And I'm going to mention just one thing you might do today, which is grow your own food. I'm sitting in the middle of my vegetable patch here. This is one of my beautiful homegrown leeks. And you might think, well, what's this got to do with insects? But actually the reason, or one of the biggest drivers of insect declines, is the way we grow food, the industrial farming methods we've adopted with lots of pesticides. And so we can reduce our own personal pressure on the landscape and on insects by growing as much zero food miles, zero pesticides food as possible at home. If you haven't got room for a big veggie patch like me, I'm very lucky, then even growing herbs and a few tomatoes in pots on a balcony is better than nothing. And actually many herbs are really good for pollinators, things like thyme and rosemary and marjoram. Failing that, if you've got no outside space at all, then buy local organic food. Again, it serves the same purpose. It reduces the pressure on industrial farming to feed the world. And if we all moved to eating mainly seasonal, locally produced produce, that would really help our insects. So sign up today, join the campaign and see what you can do to help our insects. Thank you.